In this module, you'll learn how to upload a video, create a video, and optimize your business profile using Wistia. Wistia is a different kind of video platform. It's built specifically for businesses. You can create and share videos using Wistia throughout multiple social platforms. Once you've signed up to Wistia, you'll be directed to a page that will prompt you to start uploading your first video. Start uploading your file by clicking Upload a Video. Wait for your video to finish uploading and click the Customize button to start editing it. Then you'll find yourself in Wistia's Customizing page. On the left side of your screen is the multiple editing options you can choose from. First, check out the Appearance tab. Similar to most video sharing services, you can choose to upload a new image or just use a frame of your video for it. What's interesting is the fact that you can change the color of your player to match the theme of your video. If you're satisfied with the change, close the Appearance tab and move to the Controls tab. Here you can choose how you want your video to play and end. Plus, you can edit the control player on your video to appear or disappear. Do note, however, if you want your viewer to focus on your video, I would suggest you turn off the player. Once you are finished with this tab, click on the Share tab. Remember to turn on the Share option to allow your video to be shared across multiple websites. You can even manually tick the option with the respective social networking sites if you want to do so. The Password tab is optional. You can turn it on if your video is exclusive to selected viewers only. Chapter tab is optional as well. But do take note of the timeline actions. This option allows a call to action button, which means your viewers need to take action at a certain point of your video. All you need to do is select the type of action you want to make. If it is in a text form, make sure you fill in the text describing your call to action. You can add a link to it to direct your viewers to your website or blog, for example. Once you are done editing your call to action, click Update and it will automatically apply to your video. Next is adding Turn Site. This option allows you to gain more subscribers by asking your viewers to enter their email address at any given point when the video is playing. The last option is the annotation link, which is optional. Now that everything's in order, click Save. You'll get to preview your video with the settings that you set up for it, and it's ready to be shared. That's how you upload video using Wistia. It provides you with a variety of video editing options. Using video sharing platform will take time to gain a huge number of viewers, but in time, if your content proves valuable to most viewers, you'll get to see an increase in the number of views and eventually your followers.